Hello everyone, I'm Soundarya, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, National College, Trichy. We are going to see today the continuation of previous lecture, that is HR coming of age, transforming future of HR. We are actually seeing the recent trends one by one. Previously, we have seen the economics and artificial intelligence. Now, I'm going to discuss about green HRM. Green HRM is nothing but usage of HR policies which supports the environment sustainability. So, HR policies are formulated in such a way that promotes environmental sustainability. So, how this green HRM has started is that from CSR report of ice cream seller Ben and Jerry. They have given in their mission statement itself, like respecting the earth and environment. That is their mantra. Their business practices are promoted with the mantra called respecting the earth and environment. They're actually using more attractive advertisements to catch the customers, to convince the customers to be more eco-friendly. You can see in this slide where they show the ice cream, the scoop of ice cream is there. So actually, the advertisement was there where the scoop just starts to melt. Likewise, if we keep on degrading the environment, world also will start to melt. That's what they say. If it's melted, it's ruined. So next thing is 1987. There was a report called Brent Plan report where they say that the need of the present should be met without compromising the need of the future. That's what it is given in the Brent Plan report. Then later on in 1990s, HRM gained its importance. So, a business organization felt that it is a need for them to frame HR policies in such a way that it supports the environmental sustainability. So, that's what about the introduction for green HRM. We know the functions of HRM: recruitment, selection, training and development, compensation, performance appraisal, maintenance, industrial relations. So, same thing applies here. We are going to formulate HR policies uh, in the different functions of HR. So now let's look at one by one. Green recruitment and selection. Green recruitment is nothing but recruiting the employees who has the eco-friendly attitude. Okay, people with environmental sustainability, that is environmental concerned employees are tried to attract. Recruitment is nothing but process of attracting the suitable employees, whereas green recruitment is attracting the environmental concerned employees. That's what all about green recruitment. Green selection is nothing but selecting the employees who has eco-friendly mindset. Employees with eco-friendly qualities are selected in the interview. So how to we are saying that we have to attract the environmental concerned employees, all those things. How do you find that an employee is eco-friendly? Is that first of all we should as an organization should showcase itself that they have this eco-friendly mindset. They are eco-friendly, so they should show in their websites. Like you can see that here Adobe, we know that Adobe. I think you all have heard about Adobe PDF and all those things. They show their green efforts in their website. Actually, they have their green building where it is LEED certified. Leadership in Energy and Engineering Design. It's called LEED. US Council has given this green LEED award to its building. Okay, so it's given clearly that 2.9 million square feet of space are LEED certified. So this helps the employees to work in the clean environment under the natural light, so they can enjoy the workspace benefits. So you can see the building here. That is the natural air and light is possible here. Like usage of the displays, coniferous trees are also there. So this lead will just assess the building and they will give you certification. So they are having this practice. They are exhibiting that in their websites. Infosys also, Infosys, Mysore, Pune, Trivandrum, everything. So they are all green building. So they are showcasing it in their website. So likewise, their Adobe's sustainability report is given that they so employment record, and they are just showcasing their wish to recruit the eco-friendly minds people to the organization. Another thing is another way to select the eco-friendly employees is that including green qualification in the job specification. So just including like they might have completed any certification course so related to the environment. So that can be uh, those employees can be chosen for the company to work. Likewise, we can just popularize these things in the social media websites or Insta, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, anywhere they can just showcase their eco-friendly interest. And when while mailing, they can have this think before you print. Please consider the environment before printing. These kinds of slogan can be email signature can be given in their mail. They can keep the setting in such a way that goes to the candidates those who apply. Likewise, having green logo in the application forms on the websites, usage of online application forms also another example where Dell has this green logo. Go Green Challenge is very popular which is conducted by the Dell company, where green initiatives were collected from the public. So best green initiatives were given the award, like they were given computers, laptop, like that. Okay, so like this logo can be given. Then green selection. Green selection is something, but selection, we set of tests and interviews will be conducted to select the appropriate employees. Recruitment is where we call it as candidates, where once they are selected, they are called employees. So, in the interview, usage of plastic bottles can be avoided. First thing should be done is that, because if you keep the plastic bottles, then how can you say that you are eco-friendly? So we can avoid the plastic bottles. Conducting virtual interviews, which reduces the carbon emission out of the travel, also can be practiced. Then green training and development. Whereas, you know about what is training. Training, we all know about it. So this training is for training the employees. Development is for managers. Training is for the workforce. That is like what to say, employees. Employees cadre people. Development is for managerial cadre people. So employees here should be trained in such a way that the importance to save the earth, or they have to be given awareness about the need for green training, the need for greening the business, need for the eco-friendly attitude. So all those things should be taught in the training. Like we see here, actually ITC company grows stationery on the green plan. That is, it is a first and only company to use this fluorine-free bleaching technology in their papers. We know that ITC classmate notebook are very popular. So they are, Sunfeast biscuit, all those things are ITC brand only. But still, here I'm discussing about the manufacturing of this notebooks where they use fluorine-free bleaching technology. So they are the first and only company in India to participate in the Global Forest and Trade Network. Okay, it's the worldwide fund for nature. So they were able to participate because of this initiative. So next, other trainings that can be made is that removing screensavers. Because if you have screensavers on your system, the CPU increases its power consumption by 50% of normal consumption. So your usage of electricity will be more. Again, this will harm the environment very bad. Then usage of smart power strips. We all know that we are in the fast moving world where we don't switch off the light or fan when it's not in use. We just come walk out of the room without switching off the fans or lights. So usage of smart power strips is highly useful for because it just switches off the fans or lights when someone is not there. When the room is empty, it just switches off naturally. And usage of like double side, like we have to use the papers double side. We should not just use a single side. We should not print the paper single sided. So you should prefer double side printing. So recycling, e-cycling is another concept. Then what else can be done is that in the training we can have different kinds of methods. Case study methods can be used to show the benefits of LED CFL bulbs than incandescent bulbs. So this is called incandescent bulbs. This again uh, uses more electricity. So LED CFL bulbs can be used. So this chart it is clearly shown that emissions from coal power plant is higher as compared to CFL. CFLC it is very less. But mercury content is higher in the CFL bulb than incandescent bulb. So these things should be talked. But mercury, why we say talk about mercury is that it's again dangerous to our health. It's harm to our health. It leads to cancer. So uh, employees also should be trained to dispose the LED CFL bulbs very carefully. ITC has knowledge archives. ITC has actually knowledge archives where the different methods to be eco-friendly is given there. So you can see the different knowledge archives here. So um, that's all about today's lecture. I'll continue in the next lecture. The same Green HRM itself will have to see the performance evaluation and all those things in the next lecture. Thank you.